Hi everyone, I'm glad to be here. Have a presentation in another country is very special. It is truly honor to stand here before you at the very prestigious institution to discuss something very promising and exciting topic about collaboration stem cell research and its potential impact for Indonesia. I would like to send my deepest gratitude to Suatu University for expanding the opportunity and for your ongoing commitment to advancing medical science. Your reputation about stem cell is very incredible. That inspires a lot of researchers and all doctors, including me. It's been an honor for me to have a collaboration research in here. I can learn from the expert, Professor Tan, another professor, all the professors in here. It's my pleasure. Also, we can do a transfer knowledge, journal, and the technology. Indonesia will take a big step to build laboratory stem cell that have an international standard. Let us use our partnership as a bridge not only for strengthen academy and medical of two nations, but also we can save a lot of lives. Together, we can unlock the future of medicines and bring hopes to millions. I have a private story about stem cell. My father, 60 years old, he got heart attack. The doctor tell me that it's quite severe, and he told me that to pray a lot. It's quite heartbreaking, but thankfully he is safe. He got 5 stents, 5 ring in the heart, but after that the condition is not good. His stamina is not really good. He looks tired, he looks old. I give him twice treatment of stem cell in a gap 6 months, and after that, incredibly, he looks good, he looks healthier, and he looks fresh. This experience made me believe deeply of the power of stem cell, the power of research, the power of journal about stem cell. And what I admire the most about stem cells is they can bring hope. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your commitment. I'm glad to be here.